Are you hearing about microbits all the time, but you still don't know what a microbit actually is? In the next few minutes, we'll go over 3 questions. First of all, what you can do with the microbit itself. Secondly, what is the microbit capable of when connected to other components? And lastly, how to actually program the microbit. Let's start with the microbit itself. It's a small educational platform that was created for children from the age of 11 to learn to work with technology. The heart of the microbit is the microprocessor on which we upload the programs. We'll get to how to create one in a moment. Using hidden electrical connections, the microprocessor is connected to other components on the board. On the other side, there is a built-in display on which you can display your own images, text or animations. Microbits can thus display measured data, for example the room temperature or the amount of CO2. On the sides of the display, there are also 2 buttons, which we can use in our programs, whether it's switching between a smiley face and a frowning face or remote controlling your TV backlight. On the processor side, an antenna is also visible, thanks to which multiple microbits can communicate with each other. Thanks to radio communication, you can create a wireless home alarm or a remote controller for a robot. The program is uploaded to the microbit via USB cable from the computer, but then you can disconnect the cable and connect the microbit to 2 AAA batteries or a power bank. As a bonus, the microbit also has a gyroscope, a compass, a microphone and a speaker. So even with the microbit itself, there are many possibilities for creative hardware projects. But the microbit's ultimate feature are those copper pads on the bottom. They are input-output pins to which it is possible to connect other components, such as an LED strip, which is connected using 3 alligator clips. But you can also connect an external speaker, motors, soil moisture sensors and 1,000 other components. So if you want to use the microbit for robotics, no problem. There are dozens of different microbit robots you can choose from. Don't have green fingers? No worry. The microbit is no stranger to gardening. With a little help from a soil moisture sensor and a pump, you can build a smart flower pot or even an entire smart greenhouse. So it's up to you to decide what you want to do with the BBC microbit and what components you decide to add. After connecting them and creating the program, you can even build your own smart home. So let's say you already have a microbit and a few connected components. But how do you create a program? It depends on how much programming experience you have. If you're just starting out with programming, the Microsoft Maker environment is awesome. Even if you're only 11 years old, from small and simple to large and complex, all kinds of programs can be created in it. For more advanced programmers, the ideal microbit programming language is Python, one of the most popular programming languages altogether. And if you're coming from an Arduino environment, you can even program the microbit in Arduino IDE. Be sure to subscribe so you won't miss our next video about creating hardware inventions.